My name is Jon Tremblay, and I am the newly elected president of the Little Canada Historical Society.
My name is Jordi Teatswe, and I'm the Adult and Senior Programs Coordinator for ISD 622. I love working with Jon because he always has a lot of stories.
I always appreciate, in this day and age, meeting other people who really care about their language and their culture, and I see that in Jordi.
I met Jon years ago, and then we met again, and then we started talking about our potential partnership, between the community ed and also the Little Canada Historical Society, and we partnered for two events. One in the summer that was a movie at the Oakdale Discovery Center, and then another one was the holiday tea that was here at the Little Canada Historical Society.
Oakdale was a great surprise, I think, to a lot of people. The event center there is very impressive, and Jordi had things very well organized. I think people really enjoyed not only the film, but just discovering that this place exists. So I think that's a good thing for Jordi's organization. It raised awareness that this place exists, and it's a very, very pleasant venue. Our tea was a little bit different here. We had a lot of fun. I ended up reading a story kind of at the last minute, which was fine. I'll get even with them someday. We actually had several new members out of just that simple tea. It was a very pleasant experience. I think for me and for the people from Little Canada that were here, it was just such a great pleasure to see the smiles on a lot of these senior citizens' faces and them engaging with people they may have just met at this tea, for example, and to discuss, the French-Canadian fact here in Little Canada and beyond our borders, because Little Canada and Maplewood split. That's a historical thing a while back, and the entire area is very French-Canadian, and I saw and overheard people talking about history and reminiscing, and that just makes me smile. In French, that makes me smile is "ça me fait sourire."
We have a French filmmaker that's coming back to Minnesota, and so we're gonna do another projection of her film here at the Little Canada Historical Society.
That's May 10th that we'll be doing this at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Check the website first, though, because you know how things change. The film is about the French Canadians and the French in the state of Minnesota and how we're all connected. Ça me fait sourire.